Hello, this is SAVOX Andy. Today, I want to teach you how to assemble in the gear set for all SAVOX servo. So start from the micro, mini, standard, and low profile. Okay, this is standard size servo gear set assembling lesson. Okay, before you're doing the gear set assembling or repairing, you need to prepare the gear set grease, Phillips screwdriver, tweezers, and towel and servo horn. Okay, here's a standard size servo, the gearbox assembling. First, we also put the pin inside, and second, we put the first step gear and the second gear to make sure it's working. Then you put the output shaft. And final, you put the third step gear. Final step, put the pin on. Make sure the servo is working. Okay, and put the grease. Close the top case and use the servo horn to test the servo is working. And close the gearbox. Gear up.
Does SAVOX sell the gear set?
Yes, SAVOX do sell the spare parts, the gear set, for all items. So if you need to repair the US servo, you can buy the SAVOX spare parts with our local dealer or distributor.
So does the warranty cover the gearbox?
Actually, the SAVOX warranty is not cover the gearbox. Only cover that when the servo is a DOA, it's a die-in arrival.
Will SAVOX sell each gear separately?
Actually, right now, the SAVOX only provide the whole set gear parts. But maybe in the future, we are doing the gear separate to sell. So we will discuss internally with our R&D and then we will get back to all customers soon. Thank you.